Stick around to the end of this video if you are very much interested in the most popular cash advance apps that borrow you from $20 to $750 cash advance until your payday and very low or no interest at all. If you sometimes feel like there's too much month at the end of your money, you're not alone. If you sometimes have trouble making ends meet, you're not alone. It's one reason payday loans are such big business in this country. These short-term loans promise a quick and easy way to tide yourself over until your next payday. But in the long run, they only make your situation worse by adding a hopping interest payment to all your other bills. Thanks to modern technology, there's a better solution. Several popular personal finance apps help you make it from one payday to the next by giving you access to your paycheck a few days early. That way, if it's the middle of the week and your car battery just died, you can get the money to cover the repair without paying hefty interest and fees. It's the same way a payday loan works, but with one crucial difference: there's no interest. When you receive your paycheck, all that comes out is the $100 you actually receive without an extra $15 or more in interest. The apps earn their makers money in various other ways, including tips and monthly fees. However, the lack of interest doesn't mean there's no downside. You're still taking money out of your next paycheck, leaving yourself with even less to pay all the bills. For many, that leads to taking another advance before the next paycheck and another paycheck after that. Eventually, you're stuck in a cycle. You're always behind and dependent on the app and the advances it offers to get you through the month. Number 1. Clear Cash Advance. Clio isn't a bank. It's a money app that links to your existing bank account. One of its key features is a salary advance benefit to help you avoid overdraft fees. If you qualify, you can get an advance of $20 to $70 immediately. Once you pay it back, your cash advance limit can increase up to a maximum of $100. This feature requires no credit check and no proof of regular income, and you pay no interest on the money you borrow. Salary advance isn't included with the free version of the Clio app. It's available only as part of the Clio Plus and Clio Builder accounts, which come with monthly fees. However, these accounts also provide other perks. Clio Plus, which costs $5.99 per month, doubles as a cashback app. You can earn cash back at 5 retailers of your choice, as well as at online partners that change daily. Its other features include a full credit report and tips on improving your credit, an easy-to-use budgeting tool based on your spending, automated savings tools like roundups, regular transfers to save money, a swear jar to penalize yourself for bad behavior, and a tool that calculates how much you can afford to save each week. Clio Builder has these same features and more. Its primary perk is a secured credit card for building credit. It also provides other tools to help your credit, like bill reminders and credit monitoring. It costs $14.99 per month. Number 2. Dave Cash Advance. The Extra Cash account from Dave is an online banking account. You can use its overdraft feature to give yourself a no-interest advance. Based on eligibility, you can get up to $500 sent from your Extra Cash account to your external bank in 1 to 3 days for free. Or for a small fee, you can transfer it instantly to your Dave Debit MasterCard. You start with a balance of $0 in your Extra Cash account. If you take a cash advance from the account, the balance becomes negative, but there's no overdraft fee. Dave automatically calculates the date the money will come out of your linked bank account, usually your next payday. When that happens, the balance in your account returns to $0. However, if you can't pay the full amount, you can pay part of it with no late fee. You can also opt to pay back your Dave advance early. Other Dave features include a non-interest paying electronic spending account with no minimum balance, fee-free access to 32,000 MoneyPass ATMs nationwide, automatic budgeting based on your monthly expenses, a side hustle feature to connect you with money-making gigs in your area. A basic Dave membership costs just $1 per month. You can also give Dave a tip when you request an advance. Number 3. Bridget. Perhaps the most flexible payday advance app is Bridget. It delivers up to $250 that you've already earned to your account by the next business day without subjecting you to a credit check. You can choose your own repayment date to pull the money out of your bank account. However, you can opt to pay back the loan early. You can also extend the due date once on your first loan with no late fee or penalty. As you continue to use the app, you can earn additional extension credits that allow you to delay payment up to 3 times in a row. These features are only available as part of Bridget's Plus plan, which comes with a $9.99 monthly fee. Bridget's Plus plan also has an option to set up automated advances to avoid overdraft fees. You'll receive a transfer anytime your account balance is in danger of dropping below zero. Bridget doesn't offer cash advances to just anyone. You must meet the app's requirements for income. You must show you've received at least 3 paycheck direct deposits from the same source before Bridget grants you an advance. ATM deposits, paper checks, and irregular direct deposits don't count. Banking. You must have a checking account that's at least 60 days old with a balance greater than $0. Additionally, you must use your account daily for at least a few weeks to establish your earning and spending patterns. Finally, you must show you have a sufficient end-of-day balance on your payday so Bridget knows it can safely collect your payment without overdrawing your account. Bridget Score. Bridget applies a scoring system similar to a credit score to all potential members. It's based on your earnings, spending, and banking behavior. The score ranges from 1 to 100, and the app tells you what score you need to receive cash advances. In addition to cash advances, Bridget offers a few extra features to help you stay on top of your finances. The free plan gives you updates on your financial health, personalized tips for improving it, and opportunities to earn extra cash. The Plus plan adds instant deposit, credit monitoring, and identity theft insurance. The Plus plan also includes a credit builder feature. Bridget gives you a 12 to 24-month loan, and the monthly payments go into your credit builder account. Bridget reports these payments to the credit bureaus. You build credit, and at the end of the loan period, you get all your money back. Number 4. Earnin. The very first payroll advance app was ActiveHours, which is now Earnin. Its creator, Ram Palaniappan, says its goal is to make the financial system fairer by helping workers break free of the pay cycle that holds back their money. Earnin works much the same way as Bridget, but it only allows you to cash out up to $100 per day and up to $500 per pay period. There's no fee for this service, but you can add a tip of any amount up to $14. Although the tip is optional, Palaniappan told Vox in May 2019 that many Earnin users voluntarily pay it to help keep the app running. Some even opt to pay it forward, deliberately leaving a bigger tip to cover the cost for those who can't afford it. In addition to paycheck advances, Earnin provides several other features to help workers on a budget, including Balance Shield. This feature protects you from hefty bank overdraft fees. It keeps track of your bank balance and alerts you if your balance drops below a particular amount you choose. It can also automatically give you a cash advance if you need one. Earnin Express. You can use this virtual account to pay back your cash advances and tips easier. Just wrap your paycheck through this account before sending it to your primary bank account. By doing so, you can gain access to your pay up to 2 days earlier. If you use Earnin Express, you can increase your maximum cash out amount to as much as $1,000. Financial Calendar. This feature keeps track of your regular bills and other expenses. Having this info helps you schedule a cash advance if you need one. Tip yourself. Earnin offers a virtual tip jar in which you can make payments to yourself. You can set aside between $1 and $50 per day and withdraw it at any time. However, the tip jar is not a savings account and earns no interest. Number 5. Daily Pay. Daily Pay is another popular cash advance app for employers to offer as a benefit. Like Cleo, it gives you access to a portion of the wages you've earned before payday. For each shift you work, you build credit in your Daily Pay account, which you can then transfer to your bank account at any time. You can opt to receive your money instantly or by the next business day. The app charges a fee of $1.25 to $2.99 for each transfer. When payday comes, you receive your regular paycheck minus any advances you've requested. According to Daily Pay, the average employee using the service saves $1,250 in overdraft fees, late fees, and payday loan interest. Daily Pay also lets you set up various kinds of automatic transfers to your savings account. You can use autosave to save a set amount each payday, direct save to set aside a percentage of each paycheck, or roundup save to make a transfer to savings whenever you request an advance. Daily Pay boasts that it can help employers attract twice as many job applicants and reduce turnover by more than 70%. For starters, they help you break free from payday lenders and the high interest payments they charge. They'd also help you stay on top of your bills and avoid the late or overdraft fees weighing down your budget.